I'm Ivan Misner with Ivanism.com. Today I'm going to talk about working in your flame. This is part of the Ivanisms series. It's a short video with an important topic, and that is working in your flame. You know, over the years in running the world's largest business networking organization, I've learned that there are a few things that are really important if you want to be successful as a business person. One of those is this whole concept of working in your flame. As a business person, you are either working in your flame or you're working in your wax. When you're in your flame, you're on fire, you're excited, you're energized. But when you're working in your wax, you're drained and fatigued. As a company grows, it is easy to get caught up doing more and more in your wax. Find out what your flame is, know it, understand it, and then do your best to work more in that flame. Find people whose flame is your wax and put them in the roles you no longer love doing. This will free you up to work in your flame. Do what you love and you'll love what you do. This is Ivan Misner, Ivanism.com. Thanks for watching.